is the Klim Badlands in use. Amazing, I love these molly loops. Here's your piece. My dragon egg backpack from Direct Action. It's really good. So yeah. Lily over there. Huh? Very nice. Look, we have like 30 degrees. And the Gore-Tex jacket, actually, it's sunny, no? It doesn't attract that much sun. I was expecting way worse. I have all open. I was expecting already sweating. I'm not sweating. I'm walking in it. It does attract obviously more heat than a white jacket or whatever color. But still, I'm not sweating. That's good. I have all open, guys. Right here, from behind, obviously. All vents are open, like the main ones, like here. And here on the belly. Yeah. I mean, like, it's good. Not that bad. I was expecting going to be worse. On the arm, you can see. And the forearm, very wide open. I was pushing the motorcycle. I was sweating a little bit because I couldn't turn the motorcycle in the field. So it was disgusting. So here we go. Gore-Tex here is acting like here. It's actually really good. It takes the air even when you're walking, and from behind it keeps hosted. Good. Can't complain. It's less bulky than my Lindstrands before the Oma. With all the layers, I was looking like Michelin, the mascot, you know, from Michelin. The symbol of the Michelin, the man, happy man. But this looks way better, man. Oops.